Hey guys, it's Mai from My Healthy Dish, and this is Shayna, my little helper today. And today we are making Caprese Grilled Cheese Sandwich. I'm gonna take a break from cooking today, and I'm gonna have Shayna do all the cooking. Can mommy just tell you what to do?
Yeah.
Okay, so I need olive oil in that bowl. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep on going, keep on going. Okay, and then now we need vinegar, balsamic vinegar. Keep on going, keep on going. Stop. Good job. You can mix it. Nice. Now we need 2 slices of bread. Let's just leave it in there. Yeah, grab in the middle because that's the biggest slice. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, look, it looks like little ears. Okay, so what do you think we're gonna do next? Yes! See, you don't need mommy. And we want it on both sides.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna do it on the other side.
Okay.
Smells good
I
already.
didn't even cook it yet.
Okay, so what should we do next, Shayna? Out of the 3 ingredients we have here, the cheese, tomato, and basil, which one should we do first?
Tomato.
Tomato? Okay. Here you go. No. Oh, I will do it, okay?
I want to cut it.
Go ahead and layer those tomato slices. Now what's next?
Salt and pepper.
We could do that. Sure.
Can I do the pepper?
Sure. Let's do some basil. Here.
Just cook it.
Yep, we just still need the leaves. Okay, now what's next?
Cheese.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
It's actually already cut for you. See? Let's put it there.
This is just cheese.
It's mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
Yeah. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this vinegar and olive oil.
That we made ourselves.
And can you sprinkle a little bit more salt
Salt.
on this cheese? And that's it. Can you close it up? Okay, is this hot enough?
I think so.
I think so too. Oh, you made a heart. Let's see the temperature here. Okay, we want it hot, 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 hot. Hear that sizzle?
Sizzle, sizzle.
Hand me that cutting board. What do you think I'm gonna do with this?
Put it on top. Just leave it on there?
And just let it cook. You playing the piano on your sandwich?
Yeah.
Yeah? You do this part. Let me grab something.
Just flipping it, dude.
Here, teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Ooh, look at that nice crust on that bread. So what do we do now?
Stack on it?
Okay, let's move this. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna turn this off real quick.
Gooey, gooey cheese.
So you have to actually hold it to cut it.
Okay.
Don't hurt it.
You said to cut it.
Gently. Okay. There you go. Gently.
This is harder.
Oh my goodness. Give me that. Move. There we go. See? You gotta give it some love.
This is not love. It's cutting it.
And then here is our yummy. Oh my dear.
Can I feed it to you now? Please?
Can I just eat it by myself?
No.
Okay. I guess I'm gonna be the baby.
It's like a pot. That made a big crunch. Oh, cheese.
That was delicious. We're gonna go sit down and eat this now?
No.
Okay. For this recipe, go to myhealthydish.com.